and welcome to William Reviews Things. On this episode, we're gonna be reviewing the Deli Desktop Vacuum Cleaner Mini Table Dust Sweeper. Let's jump into it. Let's have a look at the Deli Desktop Vacuum Cleaner specs. This vacuum cleaner is made of ABS material, which is basically strong plastic, which provides for a long service life. As well as that, this vacuum has very high speed force, which makes it easy to pick up crumbs and dust, etc. This vacuum is powered only by 2 AA batteries. I think it's pretty good on paper, but there's a hold up with some of my personal experience. From my personal experience, I think this Deli Desktop Vacuum Cleaner has served quite well. When I write something on paper and then it's wrong, I can erase it with an eraser, then use the vacuum cleaner to get rid of the eraser bits, getting rid of the hassle to collect it with your hands. This is especially useful when you're drawing and you mess up and you erase it. The eraser bits are very easy to clean up. Except there are some flaws, such as when the collection bit is full, it can be quite a hassle to remove the cover and get the eraser bits into the bin. Also, if you're using battery, especially rechargeable batteries, you have to switch them out after every few months, as the batteries will not have the charge to run at full power, therefore not having the efficiency to suck up the eraser bits. I think to really prove this point, I'm going to have to test the vacuum. Test 1. Let's see if the Deli eraser can quickly handle cleaning these eraser bits. It seems it can handle it quite well. Let's move on to test 2. In test 2, there's a bit more eraser bits. Let's see if the Deli eraser can still handle it very quickly. As you saw there, I handled it with no hassle. Now let's see if the Deli eraser can handle these bits of paper. It looks like it's not handling it as good as the other ones, but it still managed to stick through. Let's see if there's anything at the bottom. There's a few pieces of paper stuck. Let's see if we can vacuum it over. Looks like it handled it, although with not as easy as the first 2 tests. Let's move on to the rubbish dumping test. Okay, now let's see if we can remove the stuff from the Deli eraser. From my personal experience, it was actually quite hard to do this. Let's try. So we're going to open it. Okay. Most of the stuff has got out. You can see that some eraser bits has stuck onto here, which is not very pretty, but it's okay. And you also see this guardrail is to stop you from touching this bit. It's also kind of not very good, especially when dealing paper. You have to take this out so you can get the stuff inside. But apart from that, I think that was quite successful. So let's go back to the drawing board. For my conclusion, I think this is very worth. It only costs $10.99. It comes in 2 colors, white and light green, which really looks like blue. If you want to check out this product, check the link in the description or in the card in the top right hand corner. Thank you for watching. Bye!